Welcome to Healthy Teen Snack Hacks, brought to you by Williamsburg Regional Library. I'm Rachel Nelson, the teen librarian, and today we are bringing you a game day snack. I'll be demonstrating two versions of these buffalo cauliflower bites, one using an oven and fresh cauliflower, and then another version using bagged frozen cauliflower florets and your air fryer. So go ahead and set your air fryer or your oven to 400 degrees, and let's get started.
Hi everybody, Miss Callan with Ship here. Wow, what a great snack. Cauliflower in the air fryer or oven baked is so healthy compared to deep frying it where you'd have to eat all that oil, right? Also, did you know that cauliflower has almost every single vitamin and mineral that you need? And it's also full of fiber, and fiber is great for digestion and for preventing disease. And cauliflower is in the cruciferous family like broccoli and cabbage, and all of those plants have antioxidants in them, and those are little compounds found in plants that fight against disease and keep you really strong and healthy. You can mix it into mashed potatoes, you can have cauliflower rice, or you can even eat it raw. So you can have cauliflower in your diet lots of ways.